Afternoon. Happy Friday. Chuck Walker at the Used Car Factory in Mechanicsville, Maryland. My featured car today, but before I tell you, every once in a while we'll get a special car, whether it's model year, condition, miles. Today I have a 2013 Toyota Avalon Limited with 38,061 miles. Yes, 38,061 miles. I'd like you to follow me around the car so I can show you some of the features. Start out, if you notice right here in the mirror, it has heated mirrors and also blind spot monitoring. So if there's ever a car beside you, it'll notify you. You walk around to the interior. I mean, what a beautiful, beautiful interior. You got navigation, sunroof, heated and cool seats, memory seats, Bluetooth. I mean, I can't say it all. But look at the color combination. Sunroof. And in the rear passenger area, you also have heated seats for your rear passengers. These seats look like they've never been sat in. If we come around to the rear of the car, it is equipped with a rear view camera where the lens is located right underneath the Toyota symbol, which is a good safety feature. Now in the trunk, I can almost go to say that nothing's ever been in this trunk. And if you lean down a little bit and look towards the rear seat, you'll see a pass-through area. If you have something, fishing rods, skis, or something long, it'll go into the area so you can carry it. And again, I said condition of the vehicle. This Avalon is spotless. It doesn't have a nick or anything in it. And just look how beautiful the color combination is. So this is the weekend car, and I guarantee you it will not be here at close of business on Saturday. So I'd like you to come down, Chuck Walker at the Used Car Factory in Mechanicsville. If you give me a call at 240-249-6800, I'll sneak the car out back and hide it for you. Come give me a call. Thank you.